Hey guys, back with another video, and guess what? My window stopped working, right? So I'm gonna show you guys how to fix it today. So for the past couple of days, my window stopped working, right? Didn't work. Every time I turn on the switch and I try to put the windows up, it doesn't work at all. I thought it could probably be the regulator. See, it doesn't go up. Could be the regulator, but the back windows are working. But windows working. All windows are working. This window's working as well. It's just the right window, right? So I thought it was a regulator, but it's not the regulator. I thought it's the regulator. So I thought it would be a good idea to actually show you guys how to fix it, right? Now, I actually thought it would be the regulator, like I guys told you right now, but I searched multiple videos on YouTube, and they say, you know what? It could be a fuse, right? It could be a fuse under the hood, right? So we're gonna go to the hood and we'll pop it up. So as we check right here, we got the hood box right here, right? Simple to remove. You hold it from both sides, and you remove the top box, right? Once you remove the top box, as you can see, we have multiple fuses right there underneath, right? So we're gonna pick whichever one's corresponding to whichever door it is, right? There you go, removed it. So we're gonna remove we're gonna find out any fuse, right? Now, I've seen videos that said, oh, you know what, you gotta remove a fuse. It could be this one, this one, this one, this one, and they actually help you out, right? Now, I had no idea how to get a fuse, so I decided to go to junkyard and get mostly. And I went to the junkyard and I decided to get the whole fuse as a whole every single one of the fuses. I couldn't wait. I said, why not get all fuses? Because I mean, I don't know which one, right? So I decided to do that, and I went and had all of them, right? Couldn't pick which one. They're about to close either way, so I decided to get all 6 fuses and test every single one out, right? Now the passenger is actually under the glove compartment, right? Super cool. This is not under the one in the steering wheel. It's just an airbag right here, right? We gotta fix that. But it's right under the glove compartment. So I'm gonna show you guys how to actually remove the glove compartment so you can get to the fuse. And you guys already know the other one's at the engine, right? So back to here in the phone, we already see right here is the engine compartment fuse box, right? You click on it, this is a diagram, and it's super cool. Check it out. You click any fuse, boom, pick this one. Oh, it tells you passenger compartment fuse box. Click the next one, power windows. Boom, that's already solves our problem. Why? Because as I was going through the YouTube videos, it says, hey, it could be a fuse. The reason why you, the reason why your windows doesn't go up, right? Now, obviously, we know the regulator, but if it was the regulator, it wouldn't have been working at all. And my diagnostic was that the regulator was working perfectly fine right before. So I just gave up out of a sudden when I was down. I thought it was a switch right here. I changed that, didn't work. And that's when I found out it could be a fuse, right? So as we go back, we pick another one. It says transmission control module, high-speed engine cooling fan, and we keep going and it gives you every single description of what it is. And yes, it's the exact same thing, right? So we're gonna go to the engine and we're gonna compare them. So as you see right here, right in the engine, we got the screen right here, and I think it's exactly the same thing, right? We're gonna turn it off, look at the picture. We're gonna pause the video if you want, put it right there on YouTube, and boom, that's what it is, right? Compare them both side by side. As we see, we got the yellows, and we got it was space in the middle, and we got 3, a baby blue, a pink, and a green. Boom, there we go. Same thing. 2 big relays. These are called relays, the big ones. We got another 2 right there. As you can see, 2 and 2, and we got 4 reds and 4 reds, and I think we got the same thing, right? We're missing 1. All right, so we're missing 1 right here. All right, so that's a good thing. But the good thing is that we got all of them, right? See, we went to the junkyard, we got all of them. So which one's missing? We're gonna click, we're gonna highlight it, and it says high-speed cooling fan. All right, so that's the one that's missing. So maybe that's why my windows doesn't go up. Again, I haven't fixed it, so I'm doing everything live, and I'm gonna actually check it out. So I couldn't find it. I probably have it somewhere in the car. Again, I have a whole bunch of things in the car, right? A whole bunch of things. You see that? Everything's all full. I gotta paint it. I'm gonna do a car detail, so stay tuned for that video. Back to the video right here. We're checking this out, and it's right, you know exactly the same. And that's the main thing I want to show you guys. See? Every single description gives you everything F1, everything, all the fuses, what it is, a 15 amp, 10 amp, 7.5, 30 amp, another 60 amp, and it gives every single description, right? So it's super cool. You can tell, you can find any type of fuse of anywhere, right? So we're gonna check. This one again, the one that's missing is the R50. It says high speed cooling fan, and EcoBoost. So I don't think it's an issue with mine. The fan's been working great. Might be the why the windows aren't working, but we're gonna find that out right now, right? So we're gonna keep looking, right? We're going through the list. We're gonna look for power windows. Boom, power windows. It's this one, 60, right? So we're gonna try that one, as you see right there, 60, which will be the third one right here. That one right there. So we're gonna remove that one up, and we're gonna replace it right now. So go ahead and grab a good set of pliers, electric wires, or any of the pliers, which one is easier for you. This one I recommend the most because you can get the smallest ones, pull it out and put it back in, right? There we go. See how easy that was? And then just put it back in, whichever one you want. Make sure you push it in, all the way in. So but this one, these little fatter ones, it's kind of a little difficult. You can't even get it, so maybe I'll recommend this electrical plier, right? This one has more grip. You can actually open it wider and pick it up even more, and there we go. Oh, okay, it fell down. But we already know that's the one it is.
Alright guys, so I'm trying to get it. Oh, I think I found this one. Alright guys, that's on the bottom, we can find it, but actually that's stuck right here. So easy fingers, on the fingers. Alright, let's get it. Oh, we got it right here. Perfect.
So let's see the fuse is broken, it's burned out, and I don't think it is. Then again, I'm not really sure how this burnt fuse is supposed to look like. But what we know is a 60 amp. You can see right there 60 amps, and that's what we're gonna change. Put it here. We're gonna start the car again. Let's remove it up. Nope. But all the windows are working. Alright, so it's not that one, right? So it's not that one. Okay, cool. So we're gonna go back right here to our phone. We know those are power windows. We're gonna keep checking the list. That's why I like this website so much. We keep checking. Is there anything about power windows? No. Not only that, I also want to mention that the side mirrors aren't working, right? So the side mirrors stopped working at the same time. So I'm not sure what's going on. I changed the door and it stopped working, right? Cool. So it's not there. No power windows. All right. So what do? We're gonna keep looking, and this one says passenger compartment fuse box. Okay, passenger compartment, and as we keep rolling down, because I had no idea there was another fuse box right there. Power windows, we see another one, it's right there. We keep rolling down, another power windows. All right, another 60, these are 30 amps actually, right there in the bottom. It's the left one and the right one, so I'm pretty sure it's probably from left door and right door. And as I was reading it again, I had another one. It says also power windows and the side mirrors, right? Exterior windows, there you go. Exterior mirrors and power windows. This is right here, a little 5 amp right there. Crazy. And we're gonna see another one that says exterior windows, exterior mirrors. Sorry about that. All right, there's a little 5 amp, and there's one more. It says exterior mirrors alone. All right, let's check it out. Let's see exterior. I can't find it. Exterior mirrors. There you go. 7.5 amp. As you can see that. Hopefully you guys saw that. But it's everything right there. We got another one, exterior mirrors, right there, and we got this one. This is power windows and another power windows, right? If you guys go follow along, there we go. And this little amp right there, exterior mirrors. Cool. So that's what we're gonna change. We need a 7.5 amp, a 5 amp, and 2 30 amps, right? And like I said, I had no idea. I just got all of them. They say if one's missing, I can replace it. If it's not missing, I can put it right there, right? So I don't know if it is burnt, I could just replace it. If not, I'll make sure that at least I got it from a new car and not the fuse that was already burned out, right? It could be burned out, but we could try checking it out. So I'm gonna show you guys how to remove it right now. Stuff right here, especially bottles to recycle. Go ahead and throw them away. You know the space you need. Move it away. Put all your home supplies, your stuff, other tools, everything in there, right? Receipts, and it's all dirty. Like I said, I'm gonna clean it up, and you're gonna be surprised how clean it is. But as for now, we got these, we got this, we got the fuses. I'm missing one, but we're gonna try it out. If it won't work, it doesn't, I'll just switch it to the next one, right? Both of them can be burned out, so that's why I got it. Got the 5 amp, there you go, and I got a 7.5 amp, there you go, right? So we're gonna switch that right now, and I'm gonna show you guys how to remove it. Okay, so remove the glove box is simple. You open it up. As you open it up, you can squeeze it from both sides. As you squeeze from both sides, you can remove it, loosen it up. This one has to actually remove from both sides as well. And all you gotta do is just open it up like that. You see that? So this little pole goes attached right here, and then it gets locked from the top one. Pretty simple, pretty easy. doesn't matter. But now, as you guys can see, everything's open right there, right? The fuses are right there, pretty simple, and we can see every single fuse right there. That's what we're gonna change, right? Okay, great. So as we see right here, we got all the fuses right here, and we even got our own little light right here, right? The glove box light. It helps us out to actually find out the fuse. So first off, we're gonna check the fifth one, right? Power windows, exterior windows, and exterior windows and power windows, right? So that's what we're gonna check. Number 5. We're gonna get these pliers. These are the pliers that's easiest to remove, so make sure you get this. All right, so we got it, right? Number 5. Cool. I kind of forgot the diagram. So we see right there, it's a 10. We're missing some fuses. A 10, a 15 right here next to a 7.5, and then we got a 5 next to a 7.5, right? So we got that one right there. All right, get the new one. Now the new one compared to the old one, not so sure how it is either. You can check right there. This one seems like maybe a little burned. I'm not really sure. You can check them out. Again, I'm not really much of an expert, but I mean, this one seems like it's a little burnt more, right? The new one. But let's check it out, see what happens. Again, oh no. Oh, it just came back right here. All right, very good. Cool, we got it back. I thought we were gonna have to start a little scavenger hunt again. I mean, the engine was pretty easy. It was right there, but this one, I have to go all the way inside right there. All right, cool. So we got that. You squeeze it in right there. Yeah, this bitch is dumb. Ridiculous. All right. So you're pushing it down right there, so it could be good, and we could check the car now. Oh, fuck, dude. Fucking around. All right, so start again, and it didn't work, right? But the right one still works. All right, that one works. Let's check the side mirrors. All right, at least we fixed that problem already. Cool. So we fixed the steering mirrors problem. All right, that's good. All right. That's a good process already. We fixed the side mirrors, which is good. Now we just gotta fix the actual door. Now it could be the regulator, but we fixed one problem. Let's go back to our little switch. Let's see which one's this one. This one's exterior mirrors. I guess we don't have to touch it at all. The one we touched was this one. It's exterior mirrors and power windows. All right. So now the next ones could be the power windows 34 and power windows 31, right? So those are these two right here in the bottom. That's what we're gonna check. Now these are kind of tough to actually pull out. I'm not sure how we do it, but we're gonna get our pliers and we're gonna do that. All right, so we're gonna get that. All right, once you get a good grip, we pull it out. Boom. All right, that's the left one. I want to try the left one first. This is our new one. We're gonna fix it up, push it in. Remember, we gotta push it all the way in, and let's check it out again. Check it out. Oh, there you go. All right, awesome. See that? We got our mileage right there. We got like 77,000 miles in this car, and now it's rolling back up. Perfect. All these go up. Everything's perfect. Awesome. Cool. So that's all we wanted to know. There you go, guys. We fixed it. That's super smart. Very cool. Again, this one out a little bit. There we go. Very nice. And we already know the back ones work. So it's super cool. Good thing now you guys know how to fix it. All you gotta do is get some pliers, and thanks to our super app right here, right? Startmycar.com. Check it out. Now it's from Africa, South Africa. It's probably South Africa, so it's super cool. Good thing they invented this, and good thing we actually learned how to do the fuse boxes, right? Now for these missing fuse boxes, missing fuses, we could go check each one by one, see what it is. It says remote keyless entry. All right. So if you want to go upgrade. If you're trying to upgrade your car or something, now you know. You can also find out how to upgrade it. You can do it yourself at DIY, or you can actually send it to someone actually getting installed, like a keyless remote entry, right? Which means start your car without you being inside the car, right? Super cool. You can find that out. Or like the other one, it says heated seats. Now, if you guys have heated seats, or if you guys want to upgrade to leather heated seats, that's how you do it. Find a fuse, fix it in, switch it. And there you go. There you have it, right? Super cool, super awesome. And good thing I showed you guys, and good thing we fixed it, right? Remember, get your pliers. Both of these come in handy, as you guys can see. And for sure,